Okay. Is time beginning? Has it begun? Okay. So we are property rights, not pipelines. I'm Adam Lansky.
On the Lansky.
And we are hoping, aiming to make this a short-term agenda item. This is something that we would like to see acted on as soon as possible because the pipeline companies are trying to build these pipelines as soon as possible. So I'm gonna just, okay. So Repeal Arkansas Code 23-15-101. The Arkansas State Constitution, Article 2, Declaration of Rights, states basically that the state's source of power is we, the people, right? No person shall be disseised of his estate without just compensation. You can see item 22 under Article 2. Property rights, the right of property is before and higher than any constitutional sanction, and private property shall not be taken for public use without just compensation therefore. Furthermore, eminent domain is the state's right, okay?
However, this law gives exclusive right to the oil pipeline companies, the right of eminent domain, and this is the portion of the law that they're trying to repeal. And there's oil companies are using the eminent domain right this very moment to take away land from people in Arkansas to build these pipelines.
So, yes, Arkansas Code 23-15-101, all pipeline companies operating in the state are given the right of eminent domain. No other business in the state can do this. I can't open my ice cream stand on your backyard, but Valero and Plains All-American are planning this. And this is a pipeline from Cushing, Oklahoma to Valero's Memphis refinery. And in Arkansas, this is over 400 miles of pipeline that's going to be carrying 8 million gallons of crude oil per day. This map is from Arkansas Game and Fish Commission. This goes through 3 different river basins, 3 wildlife management areas near Searcy, countless rivers across the state. That's just one pipeline that's going on. Here's another one by Magellan Midstream Partners that's going to carry 3.1 million gallons of refined gasoline, jet fuel from Fort Smith through the
Ouachita National
Forest. Thank you, Ouachita National Forest, right between Lake Maumelle and Lake Conway into North Little Rock, of course. So,
so what these companies are arguing, we're going to create jobs.
Pegasus.
Right, we're going to create jobs, but even Keystone Pipeline, according to State Department, will only create 35 jobs and permanent jobs. So these are much smaller projects. They will not create nearly as much, but they will destroy more. They also say they're going to use state-of-the-art newest technology, and here's the demonstration of the newest technology just in 2011.
yeah, they spilled 1.2 million gallons of oil. This
In
is
Alberta,
the
Canada.
largest oil spill in 36 years in Alberta, Canada. So,
Here's one in
2012, yeah, coming to an Arkansas near you.
2016,
has.
and 2014 in downtown Los Angeles.
Yeah, they spilled over 10,000 gallons of oil in the city of Los Angeles.
And this is the jobs it will create.
Yeah.
With no hazmat suits.
No hazmat suits, no breathing apparatuses, all Plains American. So they have a history of these violations, okay? 10 oil spills in Texas, Louisiana, Oklahoma, and Kansas alone. They've received citations for violating the Clean Water Act.
Is this coming not too soon after Arkansas itself has just recently experienced a massive oil spill in Mayflower?
Bad.
So, also they're saying that this is going to be energy independence, okay? One of these is not like the other, okay? This is what energy independence looks like. They say energy independence because they're not going to have to use our sons and daughters to fight their wars overseas to get their oil. So, we need to stop development of this 20th century infrastructure.
And we need to start investing in development of the new renewable energy infrastructure here in Arkansas.
So how do we stop this? Really sort of becomes the question. And obviously there's environmental impact. We are all keenly aware of this. So our idea is to repeal this law and landowners can stop the pipeline.
Thank you.
Excellent. Yeah, I live 8 miles from that.
Good job. Thank you.